Hello everybody. Today we are going to make Easter themed bird feeders. So what we will need is birdseed, peanut butter, oatmeal, flour, measuring cup, a spoon, a bowl, and some Easter eggs. Alright, so we already put 1 cup of birdseed into the bucket, so we're going to add 1 more, and then we are going to add a half a cup of oatmeal. So let's do that.
Oatmeal. I got.
Good.
Me?
This is what we have so far. Now we are going to add a couple tablespoons of just
Flour.
regular all-purpose flour.
Me too. Can I with it? I'll be careful. Ooh.
Okay.
We're done. Next,
We're going to add the messy part.
the messy part.
The peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
So now that you have your birdseed, your oatmeal, and your flour all mixed up in your bowl, like that, we're going to start adding peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
So we're just going to do scoops and scoops.
Oh, about me.
This may take a few minutes because we didn't soften the peanut butter like we should have.
What about me?
Oh, you can do it.
Okay.
If you can do it. This is very sticky.
Sticky?
There you go.
I did it. Sticky.
Now that we have a little over half a jar into the bowl, we are going to start mixing. Okay, so this ended up being easier to mix with my hands. And it should look a little something like this. So now we are going to make our eggs. You could hand roll your eggs, or you could use a plastic Easter egg like these and fill them with our seed mixture.
Yes.
And this becomes kind of like a mold.
Mold.
So what we do is just fill it.
And you have to like you do an egg. Well, I made an egg. So
you gotta fill it up a little more than that much.
Okay.
So this is all filled up with our seed mixture. We're just gonna carefully open it up after we've closed it, and we're gonna pop it right out of the container. And look at that. We got our egg. Let's add that to the others.
One, 2, and 3.
And here's what we got so far.
Now like this.
Here is our finished product. Our recipe made about 11 of these little eggs, and the actual bird feeder that I'm holding, it was very, very simple to make. This is just a regular cardboard egg carton, and all I did was split it down the middle, and then I cut off the lid and just put 2 holes in and thread some twine through, tied a knot on top, and easy peasy. So we will be hanging this in the tree tomorrow because it's nighttime right now. But yes, this is very fun to do. I will leave a recipe down in my description box with a recipe that does not use peanut butter for anybody with peanut allergies. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.